I'm finally getting around to doing something I wanted to do, and after I get the engine sealed up and all the valve cover gaskets and stuff, throttle body gasket, everything, all the fluids done, the new radiator, AC condenser, AC compressor, all that shit changed on this thing. I've been slacking on the lights. I've had the lights for a while now. I want to go ahead and just put them in and see what everything looks like. It's kind of tricky to get down here to this corner, but there's a 10 mil bolt that goes in this corner. There's a 10 mil bolt that goes right here, and then there's a 10 mil bolt over here. And because my bumper is already screwed up and I got to replace it, it was really easy to get to this one. And then I just wrenched my hand up with a ratcheting 10 mil and pulled this one up from down in there. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to transfer everything over and get everything installed. This is a set of lights that I got off Amazon, blacked out instead of the factory ones. They're like the factory ones, except they're a little bit more blacked out. The corners and stuff like that, they're cleaner. So should be a huge improvement. And then I ended up going with a set of Ultra Silver Star 9007s. And these are a set of super white. I think these equate to, what does it say? I think these were 5,500. No, these were 5,000 and these are 5,500. I wanted something more closer to the white light, because I ended up going with a 6,000 set and a 6,500 set on my town car, and they're a little too blue for me. So I went more towards the white spectrum and went with a 5,000 and 5,500 to see what they look like. Look how clear. And those are the 5. I went with a lower rating on this one because I didn't want it to be blue. You can see I did good because I don't want that blue shit. I think these are only 5. And these are the other ones. Nice and cloudy, nasty looking. Nice and clear and blacked out. And now let's check the high beams. Okay, so here's with the high beam on. Oh yeah, that's nice. Just a little bit of blue, but not very much. Just a little tint. That's what I was looking for. Done and done. Okay, I got the new ones in. Now I just got to get the new bumper installed. That'll be next. Let's turn them off so you can see. Turn the high beams on. Turn the flashers on. Alright, so that's it. Until next time when we put the bumper on.